Counts from incomplete records. Sum number 9. Anand does not keep his books under double entry system. Find the profit or loss made by him for the year ending 31st March 2019. The given particulars are cash at bank, cash in hand, stock of goods, sundry debtors, plant and machinery, land and buildings, sundry creditors. As we know that sundry creditors is liabilities and the rest of the particulars are assets. They had also given some additional information. Anand had withdrawn rupees 60,000 for his personal use, which is nothing but our drawings. He had introduced rupees 17,000 as capital for expansion of his business, which is nothing but additional capital. And they had also given some adjustments. Create a provision of 5% on debtors. So, there is an adjustment for sundry debtors. Plant and machinery is to be depreciated at 10%. So, there is an adjustment for plant and machinery also. Now, we have to find that whether it is profit or loss. For the calculation of profit or loss, we want drawings, additional capital, opening capital and closing capital. But they didn't give the amount of opening capital and closing capital. So, we have to find first opening capital and then closing capital. Now see here, they had said that cash and bank should be debited for opening capital and cash and bank should be credited for the calculation of closing capital. Now, for the calculation of opening capital, we will use statement of affairs as on 31st December 2018. Cash at bank should be debited in this sum. Now, the next step is we have to add the amount of debit column, which is 3,63,000. We have to balance the same amount in credit column also, which is 3,63,000. And the next step is we have to less 3,63,000 with 1,70,000, which will gives you 1,93,000. Now we had found the amount of opening capital. Then we have to find the amount of closing capital. For the calculation of capital, we will use same statement of affairs as on 31st December 2019. But in the calculation of closing capital, we will use the adjustment. We will not use the adjustment for opening capital. Now see here, cash at bank is credited for closing capital. Now sundry debtor is 90,000 and they had given adjustment for sundry debtors, which is 90,000 into 5 by 100. See, create a provision of 5% on debtors. So, the amount for provision for bad debts is 4,500. Then we have to less 90,000 minus 4,500, which will gives you 85,500. Then they had also given adjustment for plant and machinery also, 80,000 into 10 by 100. See, there is an adjustment for plant and machinery. We have to less 80,000 with 88,000, which will gives you 72,000. Next, we have to calculate the amount of debit column, which is 3,47,000. We have to balance the same amount in credit column also, which is 3,47,000. For the calculation of closing capital, we will less the amount of 3,47,000 with 60,000, 1,30,000, which will gives you 1,57,000. Now we had found the amount of closing capital also. Then we have to substitute the amount of opening capital and closing capital in our statement of profit or loss for the year ended. The amount of closing capital is 1,57,000 and the amount for opening capital is 1,93,000. Now I had substitute the amount of opening capital and closing capital. Then we have to add the amount of closing capital with drawings, which will gives you 2,17,000. Next we have to less the amount of 2,17,000 with 17,000, which will gives you 2 lakh. Then we have to less 2 lakh minus 1,93,000, which will gives you 7,000. Our sum is profit.